Hello and welcome everybody. And in the upcoming lessons, I'm going to take you through how to set up a YouTube API from scratch. Connecting to a YouTube API, you can search for whatever term you want and it will return back results. You can set up and you can move through the different results. So we've got a previous, we've got a next, that all of the data and everything coming from the API. So this is a result coming back from the API. And as you can see, there's a ton of information available on YouTube. So we're going to show you how you can make use of that and restructure it and output it so that you can utilize it within your own code and within your own application. So we've got it coming in a different format, and then we've taken that information and output it as a title, an image, an ID, a description, and using each one of these that's being returned back, we can link out to the video, see the description, as well as the title of the video. And all of this information is available just through that API. So we make a request using fetch, JavaScript fetch, and we get the data, and then we make use of the data. So this is also presented as JSON data. We bring it in as a JavaScript object, and then we utilize it as its object format and output it into the page. And as you can see, we do focus on JavaScript. So HTML and CSS is going to be a minimal, and you can also take this code, you can apply your own CSS and your own HTML, and I'm sure make it look a whole lot better. Source code is also included, so you take the code, try it out within your own editor and your own browser, and get familiar with what it is and what it's doing. And I do suggest that as you work through the lessons that you do try the code out, as it is the best way to learn. If you have any questions or comments or need clarity on anything that's being covered within the course and the course lessons, you can please ask me within the Q&A section. I'm always happy to help. Or if you have any suggestions to improve the course, make it even better, I'm always happy to listen to that as well. So I know you're excited to get started, so let's set this up. And also, one other prerequisite before we begin is that you do have a Google account so that you can connect and get your own API key in order to connect to the Google API. Let's dive right in and start coding some JavaScript.